Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video, another day in the life. So today I am going to be finishing off the homeschool area, and then I got a crazy idea to turn that into a little mini office for me because all of my homeschool stuff is all over the place, and I also can't be going up and down the stairs anymore. So having a little area for me to sit down and cut and prep and do all these things is going to be necessary for me. I did work on this yesterday, but then I just got tired of being kind of hunched over and all of that. So I took a break, and then I had to do dinner, and then I was just like, oh, it did not take it easy yesterday. But I got my batteries fully charging now. If you didn't miss my Instagram story, my batteries totally got little legs and started disappearing. So now I've recovered 2 out of 3 batteries and got me my backup ready to go. So let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so as far as storage goes, I have this little bucket container, and I have all of my manipulatives from the stay-at-home teacher resources, and so I just kind of organize them by the packet that they come in. And so I had all of these in one of the cubbies, so I just got to get them out and put them back where they belong. Now I also have a ton of other things, like all of these other random, sorry, dogs and kids, all these other random manipulatives, and I honestly don't have a place for them, so I think I'm just gonna put them here temporarily while I figure that out. I just create so many things, as well as prep and organize so many things that I don't even know what to do with them. And I'm just gonna keep out the summer resources out because I know that I'm going to be using these eventually. So I'll just put those right here. In these containers, I have alphabet puzzles, a sensory bin, and then some more alphabet puzzles. And then here I have a bunch of little Bob books that I'll have Carter start, and then some that Parker can do as well. And dominoes, if you guys don't have these dominoes from the Dollar Tree, you need to go get them because they are so easy to work with. They're foam, they're big, so easy on the eye. I have this big one that's supposed to be a dry erase die. I'm gonna start using double stick tape on this so that I can switch out the manipulatives that I need for this one. And here are just all things that I need to take upstairs. And then here I added some puzzles and a couple of books. Then the last cubby has what we're working on. So we're working on letter beginning sound puzzles, and then numbers 1 through 20, and I have them in this tray so that it's easy accessible for Carter. This was the Good and the Beautiful LA, let me show you. So this was just some practice pages, and then the pre-K course book by the Good and the Beautiful. I don't know if I'm going to be continuing this or not, just because I feel like it wasn't meaty enough for him. So we'll see. I have all of these extra pieces that I'm just going to throw into this container to keep them organized or accessible. Okay, so these are all just things that I need, all office supplies and stuff. Okay, so up here I just threw a whole bunch of stuff. So now I'm going to organize this cart. I absolutely love this thing. my first purchase for baby sister. If you guys missed it, I think I only announced it on my Instagram. But Carter and I went to Target one day, and I got her this little itsy bitsy pacifier.
No, I got it.
Unicorn. Carter picked them out. There you go. This little unicorn lovey. How cute. This set of bows too. Look how cute they are. So we are excited for baby girl to say the least. We're gonna put this somewhere safe. I never kept up with it. I need to. I'm 2 weeks behind. That's a big no-no. So I need to catch up, to say the least. It's gonna go in my new office area. Ways for Carter to learn the alphabet formation. So I'll just put the alphabet card or like a letter card at the top, and then with his finger he moves the rice. Different colored rice is so easy to make. All you need is food dye and vinegar, and kind of move it around in a little Ziploc baggie, and there you have it. And then also I have some salt that I could use in case he doesn't want to use the rice, but I'm gonna leave this here because I actually really enjoy using that. My mat, we're gonna be working on sight words pretty soon with Carter, so I want to have a little pocket chart so I can keep them in. I think I'm done with this part. Okay, excuse my water in my phone, but I think I am done with this so far. So I have their schedule. I have their morning workbooks and like all of the homeschool resources that we need, manipulatives and cards. Just gonna leave these books here, and I'm just gonna put these books here, and then some more manipulatives and stuff like that. This pocket chart. Then at the bottom I have like my puzzles and my sensory bins. And then here, Play-Doh, cards, stickers, Duodots, all of that. Everything in this cubby needs to go upstairs. This is stuff that I am gonna use. We love using manipulatives. These are the little stickers from the dollar spot. And then these are my summer manipulatives from the stay-at-home teacher work stuff. I have this empty one that I just put. I have this should be empty, but I put some headphones in there for now. Puzzles. And then these are like some of the centers that Carter has been working on, and some books. So it looks so much better than he did, honestly. And then once I get rid of this upstairs, it's gonna look way, 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 way better. Okay, so now that that part is done, I wanna work on this area that's right by the staircase, and I wanna make it into like a little office space for me, because like I said before, I can't be going up and down the stairs anymore. So, and like most of the time I sit on the couch and I print, prep, laminate and all that stuff. That is gonna be a no-go because of the belly growing. So I can already feel like pains and all of that, just because of how I'm hunched over or how I'm sitting, putting pressure on the belly and all that. So I thought I would turn this area into a little desk space for me. I want to tell you guys a little story about this table. It is honestly one of the pieces of furniture in my house that means so much to me, and that is because when I was little, my mom used to work for this elder couple, and she used to take me to their house because we're like on spring break and stuff, because we couldn't afford a babysitter, so I used to tag along with her. And this table was always in front and the entrance, and I absolutely loved it. It was stunning. Like, it was just the most beautiful piece of furniture that I've ever seen in my life, because I was so young and I love the mirrors and all of that. I think there were 2 of them, I don't remember. But years later, the lady ended up passing away, and she wanted my mom to have a couple of pieces of furniture, whatever she wanted. And I chose this table, and when I open the drawer, it smells like her house, and it brings me back all of those memories. She was so nice. I think that no matter where I go, this piece of furniture is going to be with me, and then I'll probably pass it down. I can no longer be hunched over, so I'm using this little kid chair to clean out this. Guys, I am finally done, and I cannot wait to show you the end results. I'm so happy with it. Hopefully it stays this way because it is so nice and organized, and I am loving it. So this is my new area now. This table served no purpose, and then I shared a little story about that, but I have like a picture of us. I made that. I might hang this up, but I have a spot for like all of my stuff. These are things that I need to cut that are already laminated. My laminating machine, my paper cutter, my laminating sheets. And then in here I have extra markers, a stapler, some restickable dots, tape, and then the letters for my letterboard. Here I have things that are going to be coming up and that I need to either prep or cut. I'm going to label these. And then here at the bottom I have some more stuff. Like this is a Melissa and Doug stamp set that I can use. These are extra stuff that I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I have the coils to my binding machine, and then my hole punching machines. How many machines does a girl need? I don't know. And then in here I have all of the manipulatives that I had in that clear container, but because this has a flat top, then I just placed my binding machine at top. But I don't know if this is gonna stay like that. I don't like the way that looks. It looks a little bit too cluttered. So I don't know if that's gonna stay or not. I really like it though, because like I said, I can't be going up and down the stairs anymore like I used to. So I might keep that there, or I might clear out this closet and hide some of the stuff in there. That way it's not so cluttered and too much stuff all over the place. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what you think of my new area. Is it too crowded? I think so. I might fix it later on. But I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Bye.